Here are 10 things you need to know not to piss off people in Stockholm when you take the subway, the train or the bus.
Oi! My name is not Sven, it is Martin, yeah.
When you ride on an escalator, make sure that you stand to the right so that people can pass you on the left if they're in a hurry. And if you're standing on the right side, make sure that your bag doesn't stick out because people will walk into it and fall and hurt themselves. When you get to the end of an escalator, don't stop. If you stop, there's gonna be problems. Don't make a sudden change of direction when you're walking in the tunnels because people might be passing you by and you might run into them and there'll be trouble. Remember to let people off the train before you go onto the train yourself. When you take the commuter train, don't lean on the pole in the middle if there's a lot of people, because then people can't use the pole to hang on, because people don't like to touch each other in Sweden, in that sense. When you get on the train, remember to go into the aisle so more people can get on. Don't wear your backpack on a crowded train, because you're basically taking up the space for 2 people. Don't plank in behind someone, it's no fun getting pushed through the doors. And this one is for you boys. Don't strike up a conversation with a lonely girl late at night on the bus or the subway or the train. Just back off. And that, my friend, are 10 ways to not piss off people in Stockholm while riding on the commute trains, the subway or the bus. Good luck.